So, you have a problem with over leveraging your account. I think the problem right there just it speaks for itself. You know your problem is over leveraging your account, but are you willing to go with smaller lots that actually match your account size? Or are you just an aggressive trader and that's how you work? You gotta understand what you're getting involved with. You gotta even if you are doing that, you gotta build some sort of strategy that actually works with what you are trying to do. So, if you are the aggressive type trader, maybe scalping is more what you're looking for. But if you're looking for more long-term swings, you want to like knock those lots down a bit. And even still, it sounds more like you're a new trader and you need to build some experience and knowledge within this. So you want to build your knowledge, figure out what you need to know, get some training, educate yourself, whether it's books, some video trading, a mentor that can actually show you exactly what they're doing and work with you. There's nothing wrong with any other. I've done it all. I've read the books. I've done the video training. I've had mentors. All of it helps in some way, but sometimes you got to go through a process of asking questions with a mentor because sometimes even the books don't even make sense. Sometimes the videos don't make sense because they're so advanced. But you got to start somewhere. You got to figure out how to make it make sense to you. Sometimes that means going through additional sources or another person to kind of break it down further. So maybe you need an additional mentor or an additional training or just thinking outside of the box to kind of make your strategy work. And well, make the education itself work too. So it actually it resonates with you. Because if it doesn't, then it leaves room for struggle. I admit that because I've gone through that type of process myself where a lot of I thought things made sense, but they totally didn't until I went through a different mentor and went back to those old sources, and I'm like, oh, okay. But overall, it's just about making things click with you and then building things up and then formulating a strategy that works for you. So, as far as over leveraging, knock those lots down and then start practicing. Stay with the demo. So, you don't want to go live immediately knowing you have this issue or anything like that. So, you want to practice, you want to backtest, you want to know what you're looking at as far as the markets are concerned. If you don't know what you're looking at, then you're going to remain confused. So, focus on education, consistently grow that education, and then apply what you have learned over and over and over again until it makes more sense. It's a process. There's a lot to learn within Forex. There's a variety of sources, there's a variety of techniques that work for people. Not everything works for the same person because at the same time it works with it depends on your personality sometimes too, because this person could be a short-term trader, this person could be a long-term trader, this person could be a scalper. It really, really, really depends on what you're trying to do. If you have any further questions concerning trading at all, feel free to throw it in the comments. If you have some advice that you would like to throw out for the trading community, feel free to comment below. And if you thought this video was pretty helpful, feel free to give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel as well. There's a lot of information out here in my channel as well. I'll put some sources below as well concerning trading as well. So have a good one.